Hello everyone, welcome to my channel #masalachai, adding that perfect spice to your life. So today I had posted a photo in my Facebook page with the ingredients of today's recipe and asked my friends to guess what would be the recipe of the day. If you have not liked my Facebook page yet, guys, please do so to stay updated. I am sharing the link in the description box. Some of my friends guessed it would be cake, some said it would be pudding, some also said it would be tiramisu. No guys, I'm not taking a risk of making tiramisu today, but I thought, how about making some pudding cake? No? Confusing? Let's quickly check the ingredients and start making biscuit pudding cake, our today's recipe. We'll require around 2 packets Marie biscuit, 1 tablespoon coffee, around 4 cups of milk, around 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar or as per your taste, fresh cream 2 to 3 tablespoons, corn flour around 3 to 4 tablespoons, some roughly chopped nutty chocolate of your choice, around 2 tablespoons roughly chopped almonds for garnishing, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons and some water. Let's turn on the gas and in the pan add around 2 cups of water. Keep the gas on high flame and wait till you get a nice boil. Once the water is boiling, add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and give it a good mix. Let's turn off the gas and let it completely cool down to room temperature. This recipe will serve around 3 to 4 people. In the pan, I am adding around 3.5 cups of milk and wait till you get a nice boil. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 3 tablespoons of corn flour and mix everything well. And adding around half cup of milk and making into a smooth paste. Meanwhile, when the milk is getting boiled, add around 6 tablespoons of sugar in it. When the milk starts to boil, add the cocoa mixture with one hand and with the other hand keep stirring it. Keep the gas on high flame and keep whisking it and wait till you get a nice boil. After around 2 minutes, you will start seeing such boil and then put the gas on simmer and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix it really well and wait till you get a nice boil. Keep stirring it occasionally. We need to wait till it becomes thick like a pudding. After around 2 minutes, when the pudding is done, let's turn off the gas and let it cool down to room temperature. Let's assemble everything together. I have lined my baking tray with a cling film. You can use a butter paper or simply grease it with butter. Let's start dipping the Marie biscuits in the coffee liquor and make the first layer in the baking tray. Ensure you do not dip the biscuits in the liquor for too long, else it will be too soft or broken. Try to cover the gaps in between by placing the biscuits and thus making a even layer. Just sprinkle couple of drops of coffee liquor on the biscuits for flavor. Now start adding a layer of the chocolate pudding
and start covering the gaps in between with pudding.
So after the first layer of chocolate pudding, let's add another layer of biscuit soaked in coffee liquor. Let's add the final layer of chocolate pudding evenly. Let's garnish on top with chopped almonds, chopped chocolates and some Marie biscuit crumbs. Cover it and keep it in the fridge for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. This is our biscuit pudding cake after resting in the fridge for overnight. Let's scrape it from the sides and cut it and serve it. So I hope you like the recipe. It's very easy to make and very tasty. I feel that it can be made with the easily available ingredients during this lockdown as well. Also guys, I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If not, please take out 2 seconds and click on the subscribe button to stay updated about the channel. Lastly, this video is also very special to me because today is my bestie's anniversary, and during this lockdown I am not taking a risk of sending any gift to them, so I decided to dedicate this recipe to them. Hope you both like it and wish you a very happy anniversary. Others, thank you so much for pouring all your love and stay tuned.